Hello everyone, my name is Claudia. Welcome to my new channel. Today we're installing Claude Code on Windows 11, step by step, no fluff. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding agent that lives right inside your terminal. It can read your entire codebase, write and edit files, run commands, fix bugs, and even manage your Git workflow, all through natural language. Think of it as having a senior developer available 24/7 in your command line. Now, Windows setup has a couple of extra steps compared to Mac or Linux, but don't worry, I'll walk you through everything. By the end of this video, you'll have Claude Code running and ready to use. Let's get into it. Before we touch the terminal, let's cover what you need. First, a paid Claude account. Claude Code requires either a Claude Pro plan at $20 a month, a Claude Max plan, a Teams or Enterprise plan, or an API key from Anthropic's console. There is no free tier for Claude Code. If you don't have one yet, go to Claude Code AI and sign up. I'll drop a link in the description. Second, Git for Windows. Claude Code uses Git Bash internally to run commands, even when you launch it from PowerShell or CMD. So Git isn't optional, it's required. Head to gitscm.com, download the installer, and run it with all the default options. The key thing is to make sure Add Git to Path is checked during install. It's already selected by default, so just don't uncheck it. Third, Windows Terminal. Windows Terminal properly handles special characters, colors, and Unicode that Claude Code uses in its interface. It comes pre-installed on most Windows 11 machines, but if you don't have it, grab it free from the Microsoft Store. Once Git is installed and you've got your Claude account, you're ready. Now for the actual installation. This is much easier than it used to be. Open PowerShell. Just hit the Windows key, type PowerShell, and open it. You do not need to run it as administrator. Now paste in this one command. This is the official installer from Anthropic. It automatically installs the Claude Code binary to your .local and bin folder. No separate node.js installation required. Hit enter and let it run. You'll see it download and set everything up. Once the installer finishes, and this is important, close the terminal completely and open a brand new one. This is necessary to apply the path changes. The Claude command won't be found until you restart the terminal. In the new terminal type, if you see a version number printout, the installation worked perfectly. If you typed Claude and got an error saying it's not recognized, don't panic. This is a path issue and it's easy to fix. The installer places the binary in tros.local and bin. If that folder isn't in your path, Windows won't find the command. To fix it, run this in PowerShell. Then close and reopen your terminal again and try Claude, version one more time. That should do it. You can also fix it manually. Press Win+R, type sysdm.cpl, hit enter, go to Advanced, then Environment Variables. Under User Variables, select Path, click Edit, then New, and add %UserProfile %raw.local unbin. Close all open terminals and reopen. Now let's log in. In your terminal, just type Claude. On first launch, a browser window will open for OAuth authentication. Sign in with your Claude Pro or Max account. The token is saved locally, so you won't need to log in again. Follow the prompts, authorize the app in your browser, and you'll be brought back to the terminal where Claude Code is ready to go. To verify everything is healthy, run Claude Doctor. This checks your installation type, version, authentication status, and detects common configuration issues. It's the first thing to run if anything ever feels off. Let's do a quick test. Navigate to any project folder you have on your computer, or just make a new one. Claude Code will scan the folder and you can start talking to it like a developer. Try something like, create a simple Python script that prints Hello World, and watch it write and save the file for you. Claude Code understands your entire codebase, executes routine tasks, explains complex code, manages Git workflows, and integrates with your development environment. One last thing, updates. Native installations automatically update in the background, so you don't need to do anything. You can also configure whether you want updates immediately on release or on a slightly delayed stable schedule. Just run rconfig and go to Auto Update channel. If you installed via winget instead, those don't auto-update, so you'll want to run winget upgrade manually from time to time. And that's it! Claude Code is installed, authenticated, and ready to supercharge your development workflow on Windows 11. If you hit any snags, drop them in the comments. Happy to help. If this video saved you some time, a like and subscribe goes a long way. Next video, I'll show you how to actually use Claude Code on a real project. The commands, the workflow, how to get the most out of it. You don't want to miss that one. See you in the next one.